Going to order now with my beautiful Sisi. We're done ordering and we're just waiting for our food. This is our food. I got macchiato. Just have some kwento.
Pero tinuruan ako ng baby ko mag-9.
Sana all. Bump into someone here. Show you na yung loob ng Starbucks na to. Para naman ma-inspire kayong pumunta dito. Show you ano itsura sa labas. Grabe, sobrang init. Back inside, parang nasunog yung mukha ko. CR check. CR check. Yung banyo nila is wala yung mga code-code na normal. Takaw tikim. Takaw tikim. Takaw tingin. Bye-bye. Bye-bye po. If you have time, just drop by. Drop by. So, hindi, mag-enjoy kayo dito kasi maganda siya. Hey Sunshine, it's Julie and welcome back to another Style and Story. So for today's video, we are here at Silang, Cavite and I'm with my Sisi. She's filming me right now and you know, it's been a while since pumunta ako dito. If you're following me, yung bag ko. If you're following me in my social media accounts, for sure alam nyo na I always stay here in Silang for some reason. But of course, my Sisi lives here. Oh? And syempre, there's a lot of things happening in my life right now, but I decided to share with you this day. So we're here at Starbucks Silang, Cavite. I'll share with you their place with this beautiful outfit. So yeah, let's go! We're going to order now with my beautiful Sisi. Got my outfit and her outfit. Ice, tapos pa-full na lang ng water remaining. Thank you. I know where it is. This is our food. I got macchiato and that's choco chip I think, and then this is lasagna and then pizza something. And my ultimate favorite, cinnamon and the donut with the view. Ganda ng view namin. Magtatago siya. While we are eating, I just have some kwento for you guys. Ang ganda ng view namin dito. So it's not sa 10. Yeah, more than 10. Yeah, medyo madami ng tao. Pero ang ganda ng nakuha namin. And also, they don't have card yet. I'm not sure siguro baka mga next year or next month meron na. Kaya make sure to bring cash or GCash. So, ayun. Huwag kayong tutulad sa akin. Buti na lang I have extra cash and may Sisi to the rescue with me. Yeah, we're going to eat na talaga. Caramel macchiato and we got their theme. It's super Christmas na that. I got hot. I got, because I'm hot, chocolate cream. Yes. Here's our food. Cinnamon Danish, sausage and something flatbread, lasagna, and chocolate dipped donut, my favorite. Mag-food tasting tayo.
Sige, mag-food tasting daw siya.
Ikaw mag-taste.
Ikaw mag-taste, ako mag-voice over.
Sige.
Okay, so ayan, hirap na siya gumamit ng knife kasi hindi naman siya sanay, nagkakamay lang siya sa bahay.
Tama.
Ako din nagkakamay lang. Pero tinuruan ako ng baby ko mag-knife.
Sana all. Ako yung baby ko, walang tinuturo sa akin kasi wala siyang time sa akin.
Shout out po kay Timothy.
First bite?
First bite.
Or kasha?
So unang kagat, tinapay lahat. Joke lang.
Yeah. Parang siyang lasang pesto something. So, masarap.
I think gawa ng ano ba yung green leaf? Oh.
For me, if I'm going to rate it, 10 out of 10. 10. Kasi mahilig ako sa pizza. And then, my ultimate favorite na hindi nawawala kahit saan o ordering ko, mamaya na. Hindi ko napapakita sa inyo.
Ano yan? Yun lang yan? Yan lang yung pinag-critic na. Weird. Ayun lang. Kami namin food like 4. Isa lang yung ginage.
Yung chan ko kasi, medyo kailangan it takes time talaga.
Okay.
Para sa relationship mo.
Tama na, pero yung coffee naman halong
We bumped into someone here. Say hi to my vlog. Ingat kayo. Bye-bye. Papakita ko lang yung outfit ni Mami CJ. Ang ganda. Bye-bye, me. I'll show you na yung loob ng Starbucks na to. Para naman ma-inspire kayong pumunta dito. This is my favorite place. Ayan ba? With the view. One of my favorite thing sa Starbucks is yung banyo. So, hanapin natin kung saan ba yung banyo occupied. Dito tayo, vacant. So, yep, we're here. And ang kagandahan lang dito, yung banyo nila is wala yung mga code-code na normal. So, ganito yung banyo nila. Kasi diba, normally, and so far, malinis siya. Alay, diba sa Starbucks, laging meron talagang ano ba yun? Merong, parang code something. But here, wala. So, yeah, magsi-CR muna ako. And then go back there. Ganda ng light dito. Peace. So, CR check. CR check. Ang ganda. Ang ganda. I'm here outside the Starbucks. I'll just show you ano itsura sa labas. And yeah, sobrang ganda ng araw ngayon. So let's go. That's my full outfit. Starbucks. And there's a lot of parking space here. Maganda din siya. Ayan. Grabe, sobrang init. But, yeah. Ganyan yung itsura niya sa labas. Ang daming parking space. I'm back inside. Parang nasunog yung mukha ko. Sunog pala talaga yung mukha ko. And, yeah, my hair now is super kulot. And yung bangs ko, humaba na siya ng konti. Gandang-ganda ako sa bangs.
Ako din, GGSS. Gastos ng gastos sa sarili.
What else?
I am GGSS. Gastos sa sarili.
That's okay to make some gastos with yourself. You deserve that, especially if you work a lot. Just, well, as usual, takaw tingin. Hindi na namin maubos yung food. Ito. Kasi nabusog na ako dito at yung naubos ko yung flat something, ano ba yun? Basta?
Flatbread. Sausage.
Ayun, sausage. Flatbread. Ang sarap niya, kaya hindi ko na siya maubos. And then meron pa. Ayan. And I don't know, magkano nagastos natin?
946.
Ayan. So, hindi naman masyadong mahal. Hindi naman masyadong mahal pag Starbucks. 900 plus lang yung nagastos namin dito. And so far, busog na. Or depende siguro kung gaano kayo kabilis mabusog. So, but time check, we're almost 2 hours na nagsistay here. Hindi pa naman kami pinapaalis so far.
Rolling, I like it like this. Not fucking science, cause I'm a witness. It's fire, fire. Fire, but the galaxy up and down. roller like it like this. Not rocket science, cause I'm a whiz kid. On a night out, I'm on the high crowd. Shooting stars at the crowd. I be rolling, I like it like this. Not rocket science, cause I'm a whiz kid. It's fire, oh yeah. Get the galaxy up in there. I'll be rolling like it like this. Not rocket science, cause I'm a whiz kid. It's fire, oh yeah. I'm a gentle up in your.
Ayan na po. Bye-bye. Bye-bye po. Bye-bye kuya. So, we're going home. We're done. And it's gonna be the end of this vlog. I hope you enjoy this. Just a quick tour and a coffee shop. And I don't know. Ang ingay. Medyo ang ingay-ingay. And I hope you like my outfit. No, sunshine. This is gonna be the end of this vlog. And we're going to somewhere. And I hope that... Hi, Cece. Hello. So yeah, if you have time, just drop by. So hindi, mag-enjoy kayo dito kasi maganda siya. So kapag puno sa Starbucks Hiraya, so this is gonna be other option. And yeah, so far na-enjoy naman namin yung stay namin dito, and we're just walking around here in Silang kasi we're gonna do something pa, but this is gonna be the end of this vlog. So yeah, bye bye. I forgot to tell you, sa mga commuter friends ko dyan, so baba lang kayo ng Premiere or bago mag-Premiere, malapit lang yung Starbucks na to sa Jollibee. So parang from Imus 51 or 56 something lang ate yung pamasahe. So that's all. Bye bye na talaga. Bye bye bye.